Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your mobile phone to Wi-Fi through QR code scanning. Here I have two mobiles. In the first mobile, I have connected this mobile to one Wi-Fi. Now I would like to connect this second mobile to the same Wi-Fi network. So what I have to do is just I have to scan QR code from the first phone with the second one. Okay, so see how it works. First of all, go to the first phone and go to Wi-Fi, long press on Wi-Fi and see here. Here Wi-Fi connected is Money Mobiles 2022. It is already connected, and in the second mobile, go to the Wi-Fi and see the signal, the same signal I am receiving here, Money Mobiles 2022, but it is not connected. So now here itself I would like to connect Money Mobiles 2022 through QR code. So what I got to do is, in the first mobile, go to Money Mobiles and here select settings icon, and here you will find the QR code option. Just click on it, click on QR code, and it will ask your pattern. Draw your pattern, draw your pattern. After drawing pattern, it will show the QR code. Now from the second mobile, go to the go to this plus symbol, and now scan QR code. Yes, it is scanned and now it is connected. See here. So in this way you can easily connect Wi-Fi from another mobile through QR code scanning. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.